July 17th, 2025. Review of the Slice app live trading portfolio. Rigetti Computers all looking good, up 3.5. Alcoa, Devon Energy. The only negative one we have is United Health, still in early days on the value play. Could work in Hong Kong. Uranium, Rigetti Computing, Big Bear Holdings is amazing. ProShares, NASDAQ triple leveraged, leveraged Palantir, Ultra Semis, leveraged Bitcoin, leveraged Nvidia, leveraged Bitcoin again, leveraged Google, unusual machines continuing to dominate. Palantir, more unusual machines. Canada, twice, 3 times, 4 times. 4 positions in